Riya and Rohan are the student and they are watching the TV. And they are observing that every news is about the government and they want about the government and they have lot of doubts. You have also some doubts. So let's know about the government. They are the very basic questions of which they want the answer. That is, what is government? Why do we need the government? And what is the purpose of the government? So let's discuss about it. Hello everyone, myself Shivangi. I am a student and your friend, and in today's video I am going to tell you about the government and we are going to clear all the concept about it. So let us start. First question is that what is government? If we talk about the exact definition, then the government is the group of people who together run the country, territory or the state. That is the proper definition. Let's simplify and understand. Government is the system which run the country and they are the responsible to take all the important decisions about the country and also they take care of the welfare of the citizen. Now next question is that why do we need a government? Why we need a government at the center, then at the state and also at the local level? We need a government so that a country can run very smoothly and the responsibility of taking care of the welfare of the citizen is all about the government. They will make the policies and formulate the laws in such a way that it will smooth the functioning of the country. So we can say that the proper functioning of the country, government is very important, because if there is not a government, then there are a lot of threats to the country and nothing will be go well, everything will be collapsed and there will be not a proper discipline by which the whole country should be run, and that make a situation very devastating. That's why we need the government. Let's move to the next question, that is what is the purpose of the government, or we can say what is the responsibility of the government. Government is required for the growth and development of the country, ensures financial and social security, ensure the protection and the security of the country from all the threats. And now let's talk about types of the government. There are many types of government. We are concerned about only 3 types. Let's talk about it. The first type is democracy, second is monarchy, and third is dictatorship. So let's talk about all these 3 types briefly so that you can have a clear understanding of all the 3 types. So let's talk about the first one, that is democracy. Democracy is the form of government which is chosen by the citizen. We can say that we, the citizen of the country, decides that who will rule the country. The example of the democratic government are the USA, India. Of course, in India we have a democratic government and that's why the functioning of government is very smooth in our country. Second is the monarchy. Monarchy is the form of a government which is ruled by the king or a queen, and this form of government is hereditary, means the son of the king or a queen will become the next ruler of the country. It is pre-decided who will become the ruler of the country. So example of the monarchy is the United Kingdom, where Queen Elizabeth ruled the country. Let's move to the last one, and that is dictatorship. In dictatorship, only one person has the absolute power and rule the country. In this form of government, the person do not have the concern about the citizen and he do not think about the welfare of the citizen. He do what he finds are right for the country, and in this he is dominating on the whole citizens, and citizen has no right to decide who will rule the country. The example of dictatorship is the North Korea, Cuba and many other countries. In this video we have talked about the government. Now I have one questions I want to ask you all. So which country has a very good government according to the latest report? Please answer me in the comment box as soon as you can. So I am waiting for your answer. Well done. Now I will tell you the answer. According to the Chandler's Good Government Index 2021, the Finland got the first position, second is Switzerland, and third is the Singapore. Now we live in the India and we are concerned about the rank of the India. So the rank of the India is 49 and it is concerning. That's watching this video. I hope you like the video and you understand the concept of the government. We will meet soon with some new concept and new topic. For that time, thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy your learning. Bye.